Welcome to Smart Kids!
Five little ducks. Five little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Waddle, 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 four little ducks came waddling back. Two little ducks came back. Waddle, 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 two little ducks came waddling back. Two little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. Waddle, 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 one little duck came waddling back. One little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the five little ducks came back. Waddle, 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 no little ducks came waddling back. Sad birds, Mother duck was feeling sad. She missed her ducklings oh so bad. Duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Happy ending. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the five little ducks came back. Waddle, 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 five little ducks came waddling back. Happy Mother duck said quack, quack, quack. We're so glad that you came back. Counting song extension. One little duck quack. Two little ducks quack, quack. Three little ducks quack, 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 quack. Four little ducks quack, 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 quack. Five little ducks quack, 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 quack. All together now. Quack, 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 quack. Five little ducks and Mother too, swimming in the pond so blue, splashing, playing all day long. Five little ducks and Mother's song. Quack, 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 quack. We're so happy all came back.
Tomorrow we'll play another day.
Five little ducks went home to sleep, tucked in their nest, not a peep. Mother duck sang soft and low. Good night, my ducklings, I love you so. Tomorrow we'll play another day, but now it's time to rest and stay. Shh, they're sleeping.
I'm so glad. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.